Hi guys, my name is Farhan. I live in Denmark and I am a high-end jewelry company owner. I have been Muzamil's client for just over a year's time. Muzamil is a highly motivated and competent Photoshop specialist with a can-do attitude. That said, he's a good listener, understands customers' needs, and execute them within a short time. Based on my experience of Muzamil as a Photoshop specialist, I would highly recommend him for future visual or Photoshop tasks. Hi.
My name is Arleta Bilińska and I come from Poland. My company is cooperating with Muzamil Hack. He is a great jewelry photo retouching specialist. I recommend him because he is making good job. Bye, Arleta.
Hi guys, I'm Anthony and I'm the owner of Royal Gold Switzerland. I make a short video now for my opinion for Muzamil. I searched somebody who's helping me editing my jewelry photos for my online shop. Then I was going on his channel on YouTube and I saw an amazing work. And then I wrote to him. He was very uncomplicated and very easy to find. I think he's one of the best Photoshop jewelry editors in the world. I sent him my photos. 4 days later I had everything edited by him and the work is really amazing. I can recommend him to all the little startups and all the guys who want to sell something through online shops. He's a professional worker. You can trust him without any problem. He's easy and uncomplicated. Thanks you for watching and have a good day.